If you're eager to give your Shopify store a fresh new look, then resetting it to default is a simple process. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by heading to the theme store in your Shopify admin dashboard. So once you're there, find the theme you initially purchased and explore the available option. Now, choose to install a different version of the theme, making sure you're logged in during the process. The theme store then will recognize your previous purchase, allowing you to install a clean copy of the theme. Now, after the installation, take some time to explore the customization options in the new version, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune the appearance of your website. Also, keep in mind that resetting your Shopify store can affect theme customization and product listings. So be sure to back up essential data before proceeding. So another way to switch things up is by exploring the theme settings within the theme editor. Just navigate to theme settings, theme style, and there you will find an option to change your theme style. This is a quick and effective way to tailor the appearance of your website to suit your preference. And that's it. So whether you prefer a completely new theme or just want to tweak the style, you've got options to freshen things up and make your site uniquely yours. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.